Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the KuCoin Futures Trial Fund. First, open the KuCoin app or website, then go to Futures and tap Rewards or Trial Fund. Now complete the required tasks such as login, quiz, or even participation. After that, tap Claim and the trial funds will be credited to your Futures account. Next, go to the Assets and open the Futures account. Here, you will see the trial fund or bonus listed separately from real USDT. Now, note the expiry date because unused funds expired automatically. Then, go to Futures Trading. Next, choose a trading pair like BTC or USDT or ETH or USDT. After that, select Isolated or Cross Margin, and here Isolated is safer. Now, use the trial fund as margin. In the order panel, make sure the trial fund is selected as the margin. Then, set the leverage. Keep in mind that lower leverage means lower risk. After that, choose a market or limit order and select buy or long, or sell or short. Next, monitor your position in open positions. Here, you can add take profit or stop loss. Then, close the trade manually or wait for the take profit or stop loss to trigger. Finally, withdraw profits, which is important to understand. The trial fund itself cannot be withdrawn. Now, any net profits earned from it are transferred to real USDT. After that, the profit may need to be manually transferred to the main account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.